Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Discord bot integration for community onboarding apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Discord server or accessing your existing server. Navigate to the Discord developer portal at discord.com/developers/applications. Click on the New Application button to create a new application. Enter a name for your application and click Create. In the Application Settings, go to the Bot tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Add Bot button to create a new bot user. After creating the bot, note down the token provided in the bot section. Go back to your server and click on the server name at the top left. Select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, choose Integrations and then click Bots and Apps. Click on Add Bot to invite your newly created bot to your server. Paste the bot's client ID into the following URL format to generate an invite link: https://discord.com/auth2/authorize ? Client _ID =sign your _client _ID&scope equals. Replace your _client _ID with your actual bot client ID from the developer portal. Open the generated invite link in your web browser and select your Discord server. Authorize the bot and ensure it appears in your server member list. Next, proceed to choose a programming language for your bot, such as JavaScript or Python. If using JavaScript, install node.js and set up a new project. Run the command npm init to create a package.json file. Install discord.js by running npm install discord.js. Create a main JavaScript file, such as index.js. If using Python, ensure Python is installed, and utilize pip to install the discord.py library. Create a new Python file, for example, bot.py. Set up the bot's basic structure by requiring necessary libraries and the bot token in your script. Add event listeners to your script to handle messages or interactions. Implement commands for onboarding users, like a welcome command or rules acceptance. Test the bot in your server by triggering its commands. Use a development environment like Visual Studio Code for code editing and testing. Deploy your bot using a hosting service or run it locally on your machine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.